This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by John Decker. Exquisite all-brick home located on the picturesque 11th fairway of the Broad Bay Point Greens Golf Course. Refined and renovated west/distinctive finishes and fixtures. This home is incomparable to others in the area. Open and airy floor plan west/beautiful wood floors, custom paint and newly installed carpet. Lux Kitchen west/custom built-in cabinetry, exotic quartz tops and stainless appliances. Living room, sunroom and dining overlooking rear yard. Well-appointed primary suite west/private deck, amazing views, spa-like bath and dual walk-in closets. First floor bedroom or in-law suite west/adjacent full bath and bonus room west/private entrance off driveway. Boasting a backyard masterpiece west/newly installed paver patio, dramatic gas fire pit, professionally installed landscaping, deluxe 6-person hot tub, TV, speakers and market lights. Truly an entertainer's dream home on another level. Oversized garage west/built-in cabinetry and ample storage. Don't miss the opportunity to arrange a private tour of this luxurious home today. For more information,